Alright, so I'm waking up, I'm riding around the community, right? This is the first thing that I see. I ain't even finna try and ride through that. What I'm finna do is go outside the neighborhood and come around the other side to see how bad the flooding is, but this is crazy. Y'all stay safe though. Y'all can see the cars up there like struggling to get around the area. Look at all this water. Some cars are still able to get through. I should have wore better shoes, dog. Damn, that's crazy, dog. I'm sorry, y'all. I know I keep saying the same thing, but I'm just literally speechless. Regret bringing my Suron out, bro. I ain't even gonna hold y'all. You can literally see the roots under the tree. And once again, I do apologize for my vocabulary. Here I found another tree. Hopefully it didn't damage their property, but you can literally see the roots and the sod exposed from the tree falling over. There's so many trucks that I've seen that are able to get through the water. And then there's some people with cars that sit very low that still go through the water. And I understand it's like the storm went by, but I wouldn't risk my car if that's like my last thing of transportation. Blocked down there. It's blocked. Holy cow! Look at this water, bro.
It is bad, isn't it?
Yes.
Be careful, honey,
Okay. I'm just filming for my YouTube video. I'm just like,
it's bad, isn't it?
yeah.
Just extremely please be careful during this.
I went around, but I'm just like crazy.
No, it's bad. Is your house okay?
Yeah. We just had furniture blow away, but we were able to get it.
You know what? That's better than your house going away, right?
Yeah.
Well, sweetie, please be careful, okay?
Thank you. You too. Ah, this is insane. Hey, can I go in front of y'all?
Don't freak out, don't freak out. Easy fix.
Nissan is done. This is so bad. I'm not even gonna cross here. I'm just gonna go back. It's so dangerous right now. Yeah. I'm not even gonna do it. This whole thing looks just like the freaking ocean right now. Everybody that thought their stuff was safe is crazy. The boats would have been perfectly fine. Bro's good, he out here in boots, but I'm out here in Crocs. I ain't risking that, bro. Something was literally bubbling right there. I'll go ahead and throw out the Snapchat clip. Yo, look at the water bubbling right there. Oh, you can't even see it no more. Bro, these Florida just do not care, bro. They out here playing in the water. And the sun out too, so it's not that bad, y'all. I get so many people in here. Come here, Bubby. Oh, somebody's dogs got out, guys. I feel like they're scared, but we gotta call somebody.
Should we call animal
Control? Yeah. They're probably so busy right now. Alright, guys, I just got back to the crib. These are my after hurricane snacks. I got hot fries, Twinkies, and Nerds. Even though on Instagram I'll be talking about eat healthy, but we finna just let that slide for now. This is what I wanted.